Before applying power, attach the belt trolley to the belt connector manually. Turn on the power supply. Set the upper limit position of the door. Set the lower limit position of the door. Save the settings, and the door will automatically complete a full opening and closing cycle. Complete the upper and lower limit setting. Activate the door briefly to make the red light turn on. Adjust the other photo eye to keep the green light steadily lit, completing the alignment of the photo eyes. Photo eye test. Obstacle reversal test. Post the warning sticker.